TikTok ads, they're viral brand moments. Ready to discover how to drive sales? Let's dive in. With over 1.5 billion active users, TikTok offers massive scale, and it's growing fast. Brands now reach generational audiences, not just Gen Z, millennials, Gen X, even boomers are tuning into shoppable videos. This is where TikTok outperforms traditional ads. A single hit campaign can snowball, generating millions of views, posting clicks, and lowering cost per action dramatically. For instance, a brand challenge can spark massive user-generated content and engagement. Moving from hype to hard numbers, nearly 45% of US TikTok users report making purchases based on what they see, and platform ad revenue is booming, set to hit $33 billion globally in 2025, up over 40% year on year. As to why TikTok works, it's the platform's discovery-first algorithm. Users aren't just scrolling, they're exploring. Combine that with diverse ad formats, in-feed, top views, spark, branded effects, you get a powerful toolkit to grab attention and drive action. In a nutshell, TikTok ads give you scale, virality, and sales in one package, and this is why they've worked.